Starting a business on Shopify is easier today than it has ever been. You do not need to know how to code. You do not need a physical shop. You do not even need a big team before you can begin. That is why in this video, I will walk you through how to start a business on Shopify step by step in a way that is simple, practical, and easy to understand. We will cover the exact process from choosing your business model to launching your store properly and attracting customers. So let us start from the foundation. Step 1. Choose the right Shopify business model and product. Before you create a Shopify store, you need to decide what type of business you want to build. This is important because your business model affects your costs, operations, pricing, and long-term growth. Some people use Shopify for dropshipping. In this model, you sell products without keeping inventory yourself. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. Others use print on demand, where designs are printed on products like shirts, mugs, and hoodies only after somebody buys them. Some entrepreneurs sell their own products, such as skincare, fashion items, food products, or handmade goods. Others sell digital products like templates, courses, e-books, and downloadable resources. The important thing is not choosing what sounds exciting. The important thing is choosing what makes sense for your budget, skill, and long-term goals. Once you choose your business model, the next thing is choosing the right product. This is where many beginners make mistakes. They choose products based only on personal excitement instead of customer demand. A better approach is to ask simple questions. What problem does this product solve? Who needs it? Why would somebody pay for it instead of ignoring it? You can research products by checking TikTok trends, Amazon bestsellers, Instagram shops, Reddit communities, and customer reviews on competitor stores. Pay attention to what customers complain about. Complaints often reveal opportunities. If people keep saying a product breaks easily, takes too long to arrive, or does not work properly, that may show you how to create a better offer. A strong Shopify business usually solves a problem, saves time, or improves somebody's experience in a clear way. Once you understand your product and audience properly, then you are ready to build the store. Step 2. Create your Shopify account properly. Now that you know what you want to sell, the next step is creating your Shopify account. Shopify makes this process beginner-friendly, so you do not need technical experience to get started. You simply sign up using your email address, choose a store name, and answer a few setup questions. During setup, Shopify asks what type of business you are building and where you are in your business journey. These questions help customize your dashboard. When your account is created, Shopify automatically gives you a temporary website address. It usually looks something like your store name, .myshopify.com. That works for setup, but later you should connect a proper custom domain, because it makes your business look more professional and trustworthy. Before rushing into design, spend some time understanding the Shopify dashboard itself. Learn where the product section is. Learn where settings live. Understand the payments area, shipping settings, analytics, and online store section. Think of the dashboard like the control room of your business. The better you understand it, the easier it becomes to manage your store confidently. Before we continue, I would like to share how we can work with you at entrepreneurs.ng. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. Step 3. Choose a professional domain name. Your domain name is your online identity. It is your business address on the internet. A good domain name should be short, simple, and easy to remember. If customers struggle to pronounce it, spell it, or remember it, your branding becomes harder. Avoid long names filled with numbers or symbols. Clean and simple names usually build trust faster. You can buy your domain directly through Shopify or connect one you already purchased from another provider. If possible, try to secure matching social media handles as well. When your website name and social media names match, your business looks more organized and professional. This may sound small, but branding consistency matters online. Customers trust businesses that look structured and intentional. Once your domain is ready, the next step is designing the store experience itself. Step 4. Choose a clean Shopify theme. Your Shopify theme controls how your store looks and functions. Many beginners make the mistake of choosing themes based only on flashy animations and design effects. But customers do not visit your store to admire graphics. They come to understand what you sell and buy easily. That is why usability matters more than decoration. When choosing a theme, focus on speed, simplicity, and mobile friendliness. Most online shoppers today browse from their phones. If your store is slow, confusing, or difficult to navigate on mobile, many people will leave quickly. Shopify offers both free and paid themes. Beginners can absolutely start with free themes because many of them are clean, modern, and effective. A good theme should make it easy for customers to browse collections, view products, understand information, and complete checkout without confusion. Simple stores often outperform cluttered stores because simplicity reduces friction. Once your theme is selected, then you can customize the store properly. Step 5. Customize your store for trust and clarity. Your homepage has one main job. It should quickly help visitors understand what you sell, who it is for, and what they should do next. When somebody lands on your website, they should not feel confused. Use clear headlines, simple navigation, and strong product images. Make sure your colors and fonts feel consistent across the store. Avoid overcrowding the homepage with too many pop-ups, sliders, and moving elements. Too much visual noise can distract customers instead of guiding them. Good design should support buying decisions, not interrupt them. As you customize the store, always think from the customer's perspective. Can people find products easily? Can they understand what makes the product useful? Does the store feel trustworthy? Also pay close attention to mobile experience. Test how your homepage, buttons, collections, and menus appear on phones and tablets. A clean mobile experience can make a huge difference in conversions. Once your design structure feels clear and organized, the next step is adding products properly. Step 6. Add products the right way. Your product page is one of the most important parts of your Shopify store because it directly affects buying decisions. A product page is not just a picture and price. It is your digital salesperson. Start with clear product titles. Customers should immediately understand what the product is. Then focus on product descriptions. Do not only list features. Explain benefits in simple language. Instead of saying stainless steel insulated bottle with leak-proof technology, explain what the customer actually gains. For example, keeps your drinks cold for hours while traveling, working or exercising. This makes the product easier to picture in real life. Your product photos also matter a lot. Use clear, high-quality images from different angles. Show close-ups and lifestyle photos where possible. If you can, include short product videos. Videos help customers understand size, texture, movement and real usage more naturally. You should also organize products into collections. Collections make navigation easier, especially for mobile shoppers. For example, you can create collections like bestsellers, new arrivals, skincare essentials, fitness products or home decor. The easier your store is to browse, the smoother the customer experience becomes. Step 7. Set up payments and shipping correctly. Before launching your store, you need to make sure customers can pay you easily and receive their orders smoothly. Shopify supports different payment methods, including debit cards, credit cards, PayPal, digital wallets and regional payment providers depending on your country. The checkout experience should feel simple and secure. If customers feel uncertain during payment, they may abandon the cart before completing the order. This is why testing matters. Before launch, go through the full checkout process yourself. Add products to cart, test payment flow, confirm shipping fees and check whether confirmation emails work properly. Then move to shipping settings. Customers should clearly understand delivery costs, shipping timelines and return policies before paying. Unexpected charges at checkout are one of the biggest reasons people abandon carts. Many successful Shopify stores use free shipping thresholds to increase order value. For example, free shipping on orders above a certain amount. This can encourage customers to buy more products at once. At this stage, your goal is simple. Make buying feel easy, clear and trustworthy. Step 8. Create important store pages. A professional Shopify store needs more than product pages. Customers also expect important business pages that build trust and answer questions. You should create an About page, contact page, shipping policy, return and refund policy, privacy policy and FAQ page. Your About page is especially important because it helps customers connect with your brand. Do not make it sound robotic or overly corporate. Explain why the business exists, who you serve and what matters to the brand. People buy faster when businesses feel human. Your contact page should also be easy to find. Include an email address, contact form or support method customers can use when they need help. Do not hide these pages deep inside the website. Add them clearly to your navigation or footer menu. When customers can easily find important information, trust increases naturally. Step 9. Install only the Shopify apps you actually need. One major advantage of Shopify is its app ecosystem. Apps allow you to add extra features without coding. You can install tools for email marketing, customer reviews, SEO, live chat, analytics and upselling. But here is where many beginners get carried away. Too many apps can slow down your store, increase monthly costs, and make management harder. So instead of installing everything, focus only on tools that improve customer experience, sales or operations. For example, review apps can help build trust. Email marketing tools can help recover abandoned carts. SEO tools can help improve visibility on Google. Before installing any app, check reviews, pricing, customer support and how it affects store speed. Keep your setup lean at the beginning. As your business grows, you can expand gradually based on real needs. Step 10. Launch your store and start marketing properly. Before launching publicly, test everything again. Check product pages, mobile experience, links, buttons, checkout flow, emails, and store speed. Remove all placeholder text, demo products, and unfinished content. Once everything feels ready, remove the storefront password and officially launch your Shopify store. But remember this: launching is only the beginning. Without marketing, even beautiful stores struggle to generate sales. You need visibility. This is where SEO, social media, email marketing, content marketing, and short-form videos become important. For beginners, content marketing is often one of the smartest places to start. Show how products work. Share tutorials. Explain benefits. Create behind-the-scenes videos. Answer customer questions. Content builds trust before people buy. Email marketing is also powerful because many visitors will not purchase immediately. Building an email list allows you to follow up, educate customers, and bring them back later. SEO matters too. Use clear keywords naturally in your product titles, descriptions, collections, and blog content. Instead of broad phrases like skincare or headphones, use more specific search phrases customers actually type into Google. Over time, SEO can become one of your strongest long-term traffic sources. The important thing is consistency. Many successful Shopify stores grow steadily by improving content, customer trust, and marketing over time. Starting a business on Shopify is not about building the fanciest website on the internet. It is about building a store people trust enough to buy from. The strongest Shopify businesses usually focus on clear products, good customer experience, strong branding, simple systems, and continuous improvement. So start simple. Choose the right product. Build a clean store. Make checkout easy. Create trust. Learn your audience. Improve your marketing. And keep refining the business as you grow. Your first version does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear, useful, and ready to serve customers properly. If you want the full detailed guide, including Shopify business models, SEO strategies, apps, taxes, marketing, and scaling tips, read the full article on entrepreneurs.ng. https://entrepreneurs.ng/how to start a business on Shopify/. And if you found this video useful, subscribe to entrepreneurs.ng for practical business education that helps entrepreneurs start, grow, and scale better businesses. At entrepreneurs.ng, we make business easy for entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, and the brands that serve them. Do you want to start right? We help you register your business with CAC quickly. Reach out on contact@redalia.com. Do you want guidance as you build your business? Join the Entrepreneurs Success Blueprint program, our 30-day hands-on business school. Enroll now. Do not build in silence. Tell your business story on entrepreneurs.ng today and be seen by the world. And if you want your brand to be discovered through trusted, search-driven content and strategic visibility, we can help through our different visibility packages. Learn the ways we can work with you at www.entrepreneurs.ng or reach us at business@entrepreneurs.ng. See you soon.